Once again, welcome back to the day one of the Ozin Fest from the streets of Harajuku. So, guys, may energy pa ba kayo? Nice. Nice. Okay, so with that in mind, I would like to call each and every contestant who registered and participated with our competition. Please come up here on stage. Thank you.
Saan pa na tayo nakaupo? Ako lang dito.
Actually, performers na kayo. Counted na kayo as performers. Oh, mapapatid pa. Okay? So, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sige, spread. Sa gilid na kayo, dito na kayo. Hayaan mo na sila sa gitna. Sila na yung sa gitna. Hindi, sige, isa mo dyan. Nanood na talaga. Okay. So, once again, ayan, sa mga nagpipicture pa. Cute. Sige. So, this time guys, meron tayong tatlong mananalo. Bago ko i-announce yung runner-up and grand winner, I need your help. Sa mga nandito pa at sa mga nandun, sa mga nagpipicture, guys, I need your help. I need you to vote kung sino ang audience Audience Chosen Award. So yun muna tayo. Wait lang. So, that being said, guys, I will do it plain and simple and very straightforward. Kung sino may pinakamalakas na hiyaw, siya yung, ano ba tawag dito? Most preferred ng audience. Basahin na natin kasi. This is the Crowd's Choice Award. Okay? Guys, again, may energy pa ba kayo nandyan sa baba? Naku, patay. Patay ka rin ha. Yung mga nag-cheer nandito. Again, tignan natin. Audience Impact or Audience Choice Award. Andyan ba kayo, guys? Si Kuya Raike, stand strong. Okay. So, sige, try natin ha. Try natin. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina for the Audience Choice Awards. Ayan. Dito kay Ayuku. Walang hiyaw ba dyan? Okay. Next, say Precious Naz. Tama? Ulit, kay Ayuku. Kay Precious Naz. Okay. Kay... Razy. Sorry na. Kay Razy. Okay, may supporter. Magkakamali pa ata ako. Yakchi! Okay. Kay Riva. So, alam ko R. Mahirap sa pangalan. Ano daw? Ulit? Ba't nagituta na parang ano? Hindi ko na kayo yan, ha? Hindi na, ha? Pero performers pero special thank you pa rin. Special mention sa ating epic na musical. Sige nga, picture nga tayo. Kunyari, hawak-hawak niya rin to. Ayan. Okay, nag-picture op muna tayo. Okay. So again, ulitin natin. Mas malakas, mas mabilis. Riva, rising na sa isip ko. Riva! Yang Chi. Ba't parang nagiging aso? Ow! O, ulit. Riva. Yang Chi. Rizy. Precious Naz. Ayuki. Sorry na. Okay. Ate Ongko, sino ba? Tingin mo ba? Si Precious Naz ba? Sorry, inulit no? Okay. Sige, I think ang may pinakamalakas ay si Precious Naz. Okay. So with that in mind, thank you so much. This is your Crowd's Choice Award. Ayan, andyan yung goodies, yung ating tokens. Ayan, picture tayo. Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations. Now we proceed to the second runner-up. Okay, for the runner-up, guys, are you ready? Woo! Okay, push natin yan. All right, guys. So the second runner-up, the best runner-up. Ano na, isang second runner-up, isang best runner-up. The runner-up for the Harajuku Fashion Cosplay Competition is none other than... Uy, nice. Riva! Okay, thank you so much and congratulations. Okay guys, uwi na tayo. Okay. Last but not the least. Sinigawan. So, the winner for today's Harajuku Cosplay Competition is none other than Yang Chi! Nakabawi! Congratulations! Tapos nandito yung token. Picture tayo? Guys, lahat, kasama na kayo dito. Yes! Kasama na kayo. Wait na, natatakpan si Razy pala, sorry. Thank you so much, guys. Congratulations. Thank you so much for participating. Hopefully, next time, or bukas, pakita ulit kayo, or pwede kayo mag-join. Everyone, okay? So once again, thank you so much for participating and congratulations. Okay. Ayun. So, pwede kayo mag-picture ulit dito. Wait lang. But mamaya, pwede kayo mag-picture ulit dito. Wait lang, baba muna kayo. Alright, so, now, once again guys, we are thankful for your participation and attendance to our event, namely, the first day of the Ozin Fest from the Streets of Harajuku event. Okay? Thank you so much guys for your attendance. Huwag kayong mawawala, huwag muna kayo uwi. Bukas pa ang ating mga merchants and artists. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapaglaro, meron tayo din 2 games sa ating games booth. Meron din tayong baggage counter. And speaking of baggage counter guys, sa mga nag-surrender o naglagay ng gamit, pakikuha na po ang ating gamit. Pwede na po nyo i-claim. Actually, pakikuha na po. Magkasara na po ang ating baggage. May oras lang po yan. Okay? Also, meron pa tayo dyan, katulad niya, meron tayo dyan different merchants. Meron tayo dyan toys, meron tayo dyan Hot Wheels, diecast, Cute Posket, stickers, pins, and many, many more. Okay, so make sure na maikit na silang lahat. And that being said, thank you so much everyone. My name is Dego and I'll be seeing you guys later because mag-iikot-ikot naman ako dyan sa baba. Once again, this is the day 1 of the Ozin Fest from the streets of Harajuku event. Live here at Ayala Malls, Fairview Terraces. And now guys, see you later.